Good morning, bro. Yeah, you can start whenever you're. And if you could just send me the link too, that'd be phenomenal. Bet. Good morning, everybody. How are we doing? Insane moves overnight. Like, does anyone understand what the hell just happened? 400-point move down. Another 300 points back up. I don't know what's going on. That shit crazy. All right, market's about to open up right now. Market open. We flipped this 5-minute here. Let's see. All right, well, we already took out that low. We have S&T at data high. I have this pink box right here. This is a 1-hour gap. All right. Inky's showing some weakness initially at the open. Straight down. $50-point candle already. Wow. That 5-minute inverse, though, was so nice. Like, you took something like this, bro, right at the open. Break even at this internal low. Target like this. Or even the 1-hour gap. Sheesh. Good morning. How are we doing? How we doing? Straight down into that 1-hour gap. Wow, what a trade. I did not take, unfortunately. That was freaking textbook, though. I know so many people probably just caught that. Tapping into the 1-hour gap here, and we tapped into this other 1-hour gap on ES. See if it provides us a reaction. Would have been done 1 minute until open? Yeah, that would have been awesome, bro. That would have been nice. Would have been able to go and just do whatever I want for the day. We got internal S&T. Yes, we do. Bro, my ass is tired, bro. I wouldn't be opposed if it gives us something nice to something like this. Like that. But I would want to see like I wouldn't want to see us dilly-dally. Like we're dilly-dallying right now. Like if we wanted to reverse, I'd want to see us just almost V-shape out of here. But as we could see, NQ is the weaker pair. Weakness here. We do have London lows. They're kind of very smooth lows down here. Maybe that's what we're heading for. We'll see. Of this overnight range, we did retrace and reject off the golden pocket area. So we do have SMT at data highs. Wow, what a reaction on ES there. I caught that pre-market GP short. Nice. Like right at open. It's fire. Yo, Putkas. I didn't fucking get it. Powell didn't say gold yesterday, bro. You cooked me. I was fucked up, bro. Not gonna lie. I can't afford to eat breakfast this morning. I'm gonna have to eat ice cubes, bro. It's high IRR, low win rate, bro. Cooked. Honestly, I did make profit though. I did make profit on it. Only like $30, but profit's profit, right? Smoothie King, bro? What are we talking about? I've never had Smoothie King. I don't even know they have that by me, bro. What you think? Oh, they do. I've never had, bro. Never had it. Bro, it's probably. Oh, wow. All right. All right. It's probably just like some tropical smoothie, bro. You ever have tropical smoothie? It's probably exactly what it is. Tapped into a 3-minute and a 2-minute gap here. Let's see. Maybe we either inverse, start moving higher, or we start drifting down towards London lows around here. We have another SMT, technically. Yes, took out this high, the 9:20 a.m. high. We're not even close to it on NQ. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we just flush it or we bounce here. This should be a little line in the sand right about here. If ES gets weak, then NQ should start dumping pretty hard. If not, NQ might reverse. We'll see. Looks pretty weak here. NQ at least. Would want to see the bottom kind of give out here. Start flushing down lower. There we go. Wow. All right. So no delivery there. Let's see what happens. How's the jet ski? It's nice, bro. I thought I had a problem with it. I thought there was a problem with it, but it ended up being fine. I mean, market looks weak. I'm not gonna lie. We are in this 1 hour gap, but let's see what this 5-minute candle closure gives us in 1 minute, minute and 30 seconds, I should say. Because we have a bunch of divergence right now. Okay, this 1 minute closes. I mean, this 5-minute closes in 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Look at the divergence. It's very possible this is a bounce spot, but NQ looks super weak. ES is strong. SMT at that high. Yeah, there's a 15-minute gap. It's also an hourly gap. See? All right, so we held the 1 hour gap so far. Holy. All right. I would love to see us just flush now. Obviously, ES is just holding us up as of now, but hopefully we could see the bottom kind of give out here and we could flush to London lows. That would be pretty cool. You'd want to see speed here lower. CES is getting a little weaker now. We want to see us just fall here, get some speed. Trimming some here. Yep, right as we take out that low. I'm trimming that. Now we should see London and then potentially even Asia. I mean, that'd be insane, but maybe I'll leave a runner. 382, that'd be insane. Three. Oh. And 390, no, 383. What a freaking sell. I mean, if we could just flush from here, that'd be freaking amazing. But I don't know. I don't know if we're going to get much more lower than that. Trying to see London sweep? Yes. I want to see London get ran. I have some contracts running. That would be fire. We're at midnight opening price now. Let's see what happens. Hopefully this doesn't provide us with a bounce. Looks like we want London. Come on, come give me London. Come on, we're almost there, baby. Almost there. Come on. Come give me London. So close. You want to see us take out London here? Let's gain some speed. Right down into London now. Boom. London taken out. Still holding a runner down to Asia if we get it. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. I'm just going to trail my stop, I think. Shit's just tanking, honestly. I'm debating closing it. It's only one micro. ES just tapped into that 1 hour gap. I'm just gonna close it, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna close that runner. I mean, there's no point in me. I mean, Maybe it plays out 382, but I'm closing it here. It's only 1 micro anyway, but yeah, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking... Fuck's blowing up my phone, bro. Let's go, baby. Did anyone catch those shorts? Now I can eat breakfast? Bro, I actually can't afford to eat breakfast. I'm so fucked, bro. Guys, can someone Zelle or Venmo me for breakfast? Fuck, bro. I'm not gonna be able to eat. That was fucking nice, bro. What a fucking short. What a short. Who caught that? Caught that short for show. Let's go, bro. Let's fucking go. Are you about to short again, bro? Dead. We better short again, cuh? We better short again? We gonna short to frickin' Asia, bro? Nah, we probably needed... Yeah, I got in before like we started selling, so I mean I got my entry. You know? Now I would like to see if we could just evaporate, disintegrate down to Asia. That'd be lit, bro. Yeah, let's see us just fucking melt. It's probably gonna bounce. ES is right at this 50% of this gap, but I want to see us just a straight up melt down. That'd be awesome. Just straight nuke. Stalling here. Want to see straight nuke. Straight down. Just freaking plummet 100 points. Asia is the draw, in my opinion, at this point. Want to see just straight sell. And it would need to pick up speed here. We'd want to see it just attack those lows. We don't want to see the stall. All right. All right. What? What is going on? Why is everyone blowing on my phone? Let's see if we get that sell down to Asia now. Imagine if you held from pre-market, bro. It's always that, though. It shoulda, woulda, coulda, but you got to be content with enough, bro. There's always going to be moves. You're not always going to catch the whole move. You just got to catch a piece of the pie, take what the market gives you, and get out and be content. Be content with enough, my bro. I want to see this reject right here. Probably won't. We're going to have to dig. We're going to have to stop some people out in order to keep going higher, right? I mean, to keep going lower. Want to see reject. Reject and dump. Right down now. Let's see that flush out right down to lose. Let's see it. Speed. I want to see speed. Since 673. Aye, bro. I see you, cuh. I see you, cuh. Aye. I want to see this mofo just bleed, bro. Bleed. Bro, this is like low-key kind of wild. I'm not going to like lie to you guys. I did re-enter on a short. I'm just worried. It's not the best. I added in, so I'm kind of worried I might end up getting stopped, but I'm targeting Asia right now. I just need to see this thing fucking smoke. I'm like, my TP is like 10 points above Asia because I always get screwed on some bullshit, so I want to see it just nuke here. Not up, straight down. Let's go down. Lower. Let's go lower. Come on. Let's give out. We're almost there. Bro. Straight down. Come on. This just going to come back and stop me out on some BS, bro. Like always. All right, we're in this 1 minute gap. Want to see it reject right here. Up, it's approaching my break even because my ad spot was shit. Want to see it reject here right now. Flip this candle. Okay. Want to see a strong close here. 30 seconds to this 1 minute candle. Want to see it. That was a doji candle right there, so I want to see this flip lower now. Not higher. Come on. Want to see it reject out of this 1 minute gap. See this gap? I want this candle to flip black. Ideally, we flip black and shows a willingness that we want to keep going lower. Okay. We should see lower now. We should see market make this next leg. Okay. Held my stop to this high right here. And I'm targeting Asia. Come on. We're almost there. Give out 10 points. Or no, it's like 15 points. Come on. Come on. We want to see this give out. No, 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 no. It looks like I'm going to end up getting trailed out at that high. We'll see. I'm still holding, but that's not a reaction I want to see initially. 10 a.m. just opened up. Let's see if we get a 10 a.m. PO3 flush lower. We're almost there. Okay. We're edging. We're edging. Yo, my shit got edged to the fucking tick. That's fucking disrespectful. I put it so... All right, no. We're coming back. We're coming back. I always put it above. Like on sell, this happens to me all the time. Like, for example, like now, I'm not kidding. I'm literally going to get stopped out now. I'm taking a picture of how brutal that edge is. This shit always happens to me, bro. We're so close, though. We should run it. Should get that final play. Wow. Wow, bro. Seriously? All right, let's flush. Flush this out lower. Come on. All right, come on. 5 points. Bro, this is some dilly-dally, bro. They do not want to give us this low, huh? They know everybody's in this short, bro. Everybody's in this short, bro. They ain't going to run it. They ain't going to run it. Look at ES. ES is bouncing up higher. NQ's going to follow probably. That was at 10 a.m. I thought that was our chance, bro. Now they're just going to push this shit higher, stop everybody out, save it for a little later in the day. If I had to take a guess. Obviously, I hope they don't. But look at ES. ES is, making that push up. NQ. Yeah, I'm going to get trailed out. So shot. I'm going to get trailed out, aren't I? On some BS, bro. Yeah, this 5 minute don't look too convincing either, bro. Flipped green at this point. Yeah, GG's, bro. GG's. This shit going higher. I still want Asia. Like, it's just like they're probably gonna they're gonna, like I said, they're gonna stop people out that are trailing, like me, and then they'll run it after. But I'm like, it's about to come get my break even or my trailed stop, and I'm about to be trailed out. And I'm trailed out. All right, whatever. That's fucking bullshit, honestly. I literally got edged to the fucking tick. I'm not kidding. I got it to the tick. Because like I said, I always put it above because I know bullshit's going to happen. And I still got fucked. They still fucked me. They still fucked me, bro. Like, oh my. Disrespect. All right, I mean, I don't think sells are over. I don't. Like, let's see. We might get a 5 minute retrace, tap into the gap, then flush it out. Then we have more lows at 324. I mean, sheesh. This shit could get ugly. Let's hope it gets ugly, bro. Everyone passed? Yes. Let's go. Everyone's passing. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I believe we just got that 5 minute gap tap right here. Yes. We did on ES and we just tapped it on NQ. Let's see. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Bro, why, dude? What is good with my phone, bro? It's just... All right. We might get another continuation lower, guys. Like, it's not off the table. We edged Asia lows. Like, it's not off the table. We thought that we were going to get Asia and ES would, get to midnight and then, maybe London. That's a little bit shocked. What a freaking edge, bro. Like, I actually took a picture of it. Like, Where should I send this? Where should I send this picture? All right, ready? This is what we're going to do. Dude, my phone is like actually blowing the fuck up right now. All right, everyone ready? Go on my Instagram and look at my story. I'm going to end up deleting it. I'm going to delete it, but I'm just showing you guys. The trade I re-entered was such small size. I had my two limits at that low, right above London. And then, right above Asia. And then I was going to leave a runner for like 324. God forbid we got there. So go look at my Instagram real quick. Go look at the Instagram story. That's just straight up disrespectful. Like, straight up disrespectful. Like, yeah, whatever. It is what it is. All right, listen. We're tapping into this huge gap here on ES. We're about to tap into it on NQ. Probably in a 15-minute gap. Not yet. We'll be in one soon, probably form one. And then maybe we get continuation shorts lower. Maybe we don't. Let's see. But the edge on Asia. Yeah, we need 5-minute manip. Yeah, we're getting 5-minute manip. We're retracing. We're at midnight opening price. We're rebalancing into the price range. Let's see. I want to see if we rebalance into equilibrium. All right, we rebalance into equilibrium on the 5-minute on ES, and we're retracing into the golden pocket. We have a huge bounce here on ES. Solid size bounce on NQ. This 5-minute candle is about 70 points. We'll see if we can follow through. But that was the edge of doom. Just the way I feel. Dude, it's fucking. We just rebalanced into equilibrium on NQ. This entire price leg on ES is being bought right back up. Bro, why is my apartment freezing? Dude, we might flip this 5-minute on ES. All right, we didn't, but like that's a strong ass candle on ES. Let's see what we got. I don't know with how strong that retrace was. I don't think I like that. I don't like that, bro. I can't believe we didn't get Asia. No way we don't get it. I mean, bro, look at the reaction. That's not necessarily a bearish reaction you want to see. We held the 1 hour gap. Look at the 5-minute buy. Remember what I always say. The wicks do the damage, the bodies tell the story. What is this telling you? Inside of this 1 hour gap, we have a swing low right inside holding the low. Wow. Look at ES, bro. Dude. Actually insane. I guess we deadass had a 10 a.m. PO3, except we freaking. I mean, this 1 hour candle looks fucking insanity. Like, I'm really surprised we didn't go get this low. I mean, it is a sketchy low, but still. Look at ES, bro. What the fuck? I don't trade reversals, so this is not something I would take. But god damn, bro. Bro, imagine we just run all the way higher now. There's no way, right? There's no way. What is today? Thursday? Okay. What the fuck? Bro, this is just. Those longs were clean. Yeah, but you wanted to, like, here's my thing. It's like, okay, yeah, the price action was clean, but it's like, do you want a long after we edge a session liquidity? Like, did you? If I, like, when I show you this, why can't I? There we go. If I show you this, you're going to be like, oh, those longs were clean. I should long here if I went like this. Wait. If I show you this, you're going to be like, shit, I think I should probably long. Hell no, bro. Hell no. Ain't no way you're going to tell me you think longs look good like this. Like, yeah, like they move clean, but it's like, bro, hell no. I ain't touching that, bro. Hell no. I'll take my shorts all day, bro. I banked today. The last trade, that little re-entry would have just been the cherry on top, bro. I would have gone out and freaking, I don't know, buy myself another fucking jet ski. Bro, yesterday I actually took my jet ski out first time. I'm like, all right, let's do this shit. I take it out. You know, I'm riding with two of my friends, not both at the same time. Jet ski, so simmer down. We were taking turns, like 2 at a time or just 1 at a time, whatever. Nothing crazy. We weren't ripping it. We were just testing it out. And then, 30 minutes goes by, give or take, we all on it. Then we cut, we like shut the engine off and, we dock it. And then next thing you know, it won't turn back on. And I'm like, there's no fucking way this is happening to me, right? There's no way. Like, no. And we're looking up everything. My friends are actually they are very good with cars and stuff. That's what they do. So good thing I had them there. We're looking up everything on ChatGPT, YouTube, the internet, trying to figure out what's wrong. And we thought that the electrical was cooked. Turns out the battery was just loose, and it took us 40 minutes to just figure that out. So then it was fine after I wrote it and it was lit. But that was scary. I got a little nervous, bro. I was I literally just bought this yesterday. But now I run into this predicament. I don't have a hitch on my car and I don't have a slit. I'm going to put a hitch on my Mercedes sedan. And I don't give a shit what I look like. I'm going to look like one of those, YNs driving, but I got a Mercedes and I got a jet ski. So at the end of the day, I'm pretty happy. So, but it's going to take a while. I wish I could just go bring my car out today, but it's not possible. I actually have to go get a hose today. So good thing I remember. Anyone know any places actually that just install hitches and they're very quick with it? Dead ass. I want to go get it done today so I can bring my jet ski out tomorrow. ES wants this high, bro. ES wants this fucking high. I actually can't believe this shit. Stop. ES is going to get that fucking... ES is going to go get that high. Guys. We are getting this high. This is crazy. What the fuck? I can't believe I asked for anybody to give me a recommendation on where I could get a hitch on my car, and I didn't get one. Y'all are fake, bro. Y'all just want me to signal you, huh? Look at this. Look at this. What is going on, bro? It is fucking crazy, bro. We're just ripping. ES is at new high a day, bro. That's fucking crazy.
It's not real. It was never there. Come on, man. Come on, Harry. Roy, Asia low is confirmed a myth. It's not real. It was never there. Come on, man. Come.
Wow. I don't even have words, bro. This bounces. Just like, dude, that bounce is fucking insanity, bro. Like, that was insane, bro. Like, actually insane.
One of the most important things in becoming a profitable trader
Bro, are we dead ass gonna go for like new high day? Like, what the fuck is this? This is dead ass insane, bro. We're ripping like crazy. Gonna go doom scroll, bro. Cooked. About to make a trade recap video. I'm actually so hungry and I gotta go pick up some food at the food store, bro. What a day, bro. Seriously, what a day. It's not even 10:30, bro, and it's like do we deadass want to go to previous day high? We might. Bro, I'm actually like astonished right now, like how strong we bounced. Bro, we just face ripped. How many points was this bounce? 238 points in 20 minutes. Like what? That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Bro, this is Bro, why do I always get these fake Bro, does anyone else get these like texts from like these random ass numbers that are not even like maybe we go to the highs, bro. Seriously, maybe we go to the data highs. I mean, I really wouldn't even be surprised at this point. ES takes out previous day high, and then NQ potentially takes out data high. That'd be pretty wild, but you know what today is? You know what today feels like? Today feels like a slap the fucking rollie on wherever you go day. And go mob, bro. And go mob. That's what I'm about to be doing. Be steady mobbing, bro. To the grocery store for 2 minutes and then come home and not leave my house, probably. It's a simple life. Hey. All right. Honestly, I think I'm gonna hop off here. I'm so hungry. I got some shit I gotta do. I'm done trading for the day. But I do think there's a chance that we do run higher to data high on NQ, and ES may take out previous day high if it still remains bullish and stronger than NQ. But I hope somebody, at least one person, was able to catch part of this move. I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Peace out.